I just wanted to make a mound.
Make a mound. All right, we didn't. Well, we did record.
This dirt and go make a mound. Okay?
We did record it, but it got lost. It's me getting all the dirt.
It's heavier than y'all think.
And
hold on, move it. Get out of my way.
We accidentally stopped recording.
It's hard to hold on to.
So.
All right. Help me, Elijah. Big help. We have to steer it down that way. Okay, yeah, it's real heavy.
Where are we going to put it again? Okay. We're going to put it where the circle is.
Where the flat is.
We should put it right there. It's not flat. You should put it right
No,
here.
where I put the circle, which is right here. Right there.
Okay. Blam, blam, we should put it right here.
Shit, help me. Put your hand on there and help me lift it down. Hold on.
That's not enough. That's not enough.
Yes, it is.
That?
Watch, we're going to build it. Push it all. Push it in the middle. Make a tower. Where's Lige? Lige, what are you doing?
I'm recording it.
Huh?
I'm recording it.
Oh.
I'm going to dump some water in it.
Just a little bit. We have to make a mound. Okay, make it taller. No, you don't want to do that until after you make it. You're going to break up all these clumps and make a pile. Okay, make it, push it out. Like a mountain.
What about the tubing?
No, the one tube's got to go in the middle.
Only that one. Not right now. We need to shape it out better, Blam Blam.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was saying. See the crumpled ones, the big ones? You have to break them up in your hands. It's red clay, see? And then we're going to make it a mountain. You could also make it taller. Ooh, that's some gross red clay. Ew, what the heck was that? I don't know. Okay.
So like a mountain.
If you want to get more red clay, Elijah, you can in a wheelbarrow, but it's really heavy. It's a good luck with that. This is
good. This is good. Yeah.
No, but we have to make it skinnier and taller.
Why? No.
Yes, because we want to make it look more like a volcano. So it's going to get pushed in from the sides and up.
It does look more like a volcano.
Pushed in and up. In and up. The taller we can make it, the better off we are. Hey man, you just threw it all over my face. Up. Okay, now Hannah, start adding a little bit of water. And then we're going to have to pack it down. Wait. We have a stick in there. We don't want no sticks and we don't want no acorns. Okay, now just pat it down. No, come on, more water over here, Hannah. We're going to try to make it like a clay mountain. There you go. Okay, go over this way. Put some by Hannah. Hannah, pat it down with your hands as the water comes. Okay, push it up.
Okay, Eli, that's good. No, it's not.
Not really. We could make it even harder. If the sun hits it and stuff.
How long are we going to have to wait?
I don't know.
Oh.
Okay, wait. Okay, put it around the bottom, Lige, not the top. Alright, that's good. That's good. We're done. Elijah, quit putting water.
She said quit.
You know what you want to do is make it taller. The best you can, like a big old glob. It's all red clay, and now we're going to make a volcano. It's our own personal volcano.
Stick the tube in there?
Yeah, the tube's going to have to go. Wait. We have to make a hole first. Ready? How long's the tube? That's good. Don't let it get covered by the mountain because we have to put the baking soda in. Then the other tube is for half of the. We'll have to see if we make a volcano or not. Okay. Now you can start recording.
I've been recording.
Oh.
It's like this.
How we made the clay. Okay, now we have to let it dry for a few minutes, you guys. You can mold it, do whatever you want, but Elijah making holes, see? Don't want to make holes.
That's why he put too much water on there.
No, that's when we let it dry a little bit, and then we make it a volcano. Okay, this is like really gross. Where's the water faucet?
It's not gross.
Elijah?
It wasn't wet right.
Can I have that picture, please?
She's gonna wash it.
You got it. Maybe still my hands. I'm gonna turn on the faucet too so we can wash ourselves off. Okay.
I don't need to wash up.
You guys are making it flatter instead of taller. You're pushing down on it instead of up. You should be making it taller, not shorter.
Aren't we supposed to put newspaper and metal stuff?
Okay, that should be good.
We're supposed to put newspaper around the
No,
what?
it's not a plaster Paris. It's just a backyard one with clay.
Hey.
From the clay mountain over there.
Yeah. You recorded, but then you turned it off.
I didn't know. Elijah, the more you touch it, the more it's gonna fall apart. Do you understand? You guys need to quit.
Okay.
Because look, now you already made a big fat hole. The problem is, it has to sit. You have to fill it in and let it sit. Alright, I'm gonna go get the hose.
Okay, Eli, leave it now. Good.
Leave it alone and let it dry. Please. That's all I'm asking. The more we pick on it, the more it comes apart. Ugh.
I just need this one finger so I can stop the recording a little bit. Ah! Eli! You tripped it on my neck! Wham! Wham! He tripped it on my neck.
Don't use it like that.
That little boy's gonna get it. He tripped some on my neck and then he laughed.
Guess what?
We're not finished yet. We have to let it dry. But we still have to put the vinegar and stuff.
Oh dear. Okay. Oh, there's swimming next door. It looks pretty cool. Now we have to put, where's the vials? One's inside, we have to put,
Can I fill it up with and then pour it in there? Please.
and then after that we need vinegar, and that's when it explodes.
I need baking soda.
Elijah, did you realize that? As soon as you add the vinegar to the baking soda is when it goes. I don't know if it's dry enough yet. Do you think it's dry enough?
Yeah. I do.
What's the matter, Elijah? Vinegar too.
Vinegar and baking soda.
No, that holds vinegar, and I'll bring the baking soda in a little smaller thingy.
Meow 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 meow. Okay. Vinegar. I'm going into my room, okay? This is where I'm staying for now. I'll turn on the TV for you guys to see.
What are you doing?
Alright.
It's baloney.
But it's not dry yet. Blam blam.
Alright, do you want to wait for it to dry out more?
No, he just wants to take a video of that. That's why he said that. It is dry. No, it's not. Go look at it. You pour the vinegar in there.
Okay, I'll bring
Halfway full.
All the way.
Want me
all the
to
way
go dump
full.
it out there?
No, we have to have our baking soda. That's
Vinegar
where
smells
Elijah comes
good.
in. Elijah has to put baking soda in there.
Vinegar smells good.
I dare you to drink it. You're gonna take. Who's gonna take video?
Drink it.
I don't know. We have to
Take
get.
video.
Well, we have to get this experiment ready.
And next time, don't press anything.
Just set it up by the pool like you had it.
Okay, this
Wait, I wanna do it.
you have to pour this into the tube in the mountain. That's
I
what
like
you
the
have
way
to do.
vinegar
Fill it
tastes.
up. It smells bad.
I like the way vinegar.
All right, are we recording?
Yeah.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
Don't record me.
I'm not.
All right, you have to fill this up into the tube, and then you pour it when it volcanoes.
So let's go. Sorry, it isn't that good quality inside. No, I'll put the powder in. So fill it half of a cup. So just a little tube.
Just halfway. No, Elijah, don't use it all. No, but I'll give you some apple cider vinegar if you want that. That's better for you. I drink it. No, that's just regular vinegar. I'll give you apple cider vinegar.
I don't want apple.
Yeah, you do. Because it tastes better for you.
I know, but
All right. What do you got in there? All of it?
No, the more you put is the better explosion,
Hey,
right?
wait. Hannah, you can't pour that.
Wait,
That's when the explosion happens.
the more you put is the better explosion,
Well, half
right?
and half is what you pretty much want.
half and half, Eli. That's more than half. Okay.